Hey guys, welcome back. Today's nail art look is cough drop packaging inspired because I am sick. This lighting choice is a choice. I got this lamp. I'm pretty happy with it, so I don't know. Anyway. Okay, welcome back. So, I'm sick with something unknown, not sure, because my nose isn't runny or stuffy. I've been sneezing a little bit more, but not a lot. I just started kind of coughing. Mostly my throat is sore, although even that is kind of subsiding a bit today. And I've been getting headaches, and it's like congestion. It's in my head congestion. So, I don't know, just been managing that. However, I used to not really like cough drops because I'm like, oh, they don't actually cure you. They just alleviate your symptoms. Who wants that? Anyway, that's when I was younger, and these days I like cough drops because when your throat hurts, you just want it to not hurt without having to continuously drink a hot liquid or cold liquid or something. So I got some cough drops, the Ricola brand that I've never tried before. I don't think I have anyway, or at least I can't remember if I have. And I was hesitant to get them at first because I'm picky about taste, and the cough drops that I had that I was kind of using that were expired were very strong. I was like, I don't know if I want to get Ricola if it's supposed to be like as strong or even stronger because it's the like OG cough drop brand or something. But I said, sure, I'll try it out. So I got them and I said, oh, these are actually much better than the other ones that I was using. They are not as strong, they taste better, and yeah, and they melt kind of nicely. So yeah, those are my symptoms and my one of my methods of dealing with those symptoms. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do today is nail art based off of the cough drop packaging. I thought about trying to do of the actual cough drop, and I couldn't figure it out. So we're not gonna do that. I'm just gonna do, I think, something with like yellow, white, green vibes. Maybe the plants on the packaging, because that's kind of cool. So yeah, we'll just kind of freestyle it. See what happens. Using Peely base this time because I already had it out. Okay, going in with Butterscotch Hop as the like first layer polish, because I think it's the closest to like this yellowy orange here. Yeah. Alright, 2 coats dried. Now I feel like I want to put this topper on. Silver Flake Taco. So let's do that. Okay, this is dry. Oh, I don't know where that accent came from. Fingers are dry, and there's all these herbs around the packaging. So there's 10 of them. I only need 5. So I think I'm gonna do like every other one, starting with sage. So let's start with sage on my thumb, and then just go around and see what happens. Maybe after sage I'll decide not to do the rest and just do some freestyle ones, but let's just give it a shot. Okay, so the sage, green and purple. There's some nuances there, but I'm gonna simplify it and just go with these two. Nightshade and Modest Moss. Okay, brush, and polish. Let's try. So while I have the green out, I'm gonna go ahead and just try and do the green parts of some of the others. So lemon balm, mallow, horehound, and elder. Okay. Okay. Alright, I had to take some artistic liberties here, but we're getting through it. Alright, my polish is getting so like sticky and dry down here. I can't really pick up much anymore. So I think I'm done with the green parts. Now I'm just gonna add the flowers. I mean, that's it. Alright, next up is lemon balm, and I'm gonna use not Milky White with a little dotting tool to try and get those little bitty flowers. Alright, next up is mallow or mallow. I'm gonna use Nightshade again, and also gonna use Lowkey Blushing to get that kind of lighter pink. I know this isn't, these aren't anywhere near the same color, but I don't feel like getting another nail polish out, so we're gonna go with this. This one, yeah, we'll let that one just leave it alone. Next one is horehound. It looks like there's like the teeniest little white dots up here. I'm gonna put some there just to give this something else. Alright, and the last one is this elder with all of these white flowers in a bundle at the top. So, just gonna go ham on my pinky. And that's it. I'm gonna let these dry for a good while and then do a Glossy Taco, and then I think I'm gonna do a matte coat over these since this is matte too. Time for top coat. Starting with Glossy Taco. And lastly, gonna put on this matte coat. I don't have the hollow taco one, I just have this one. It says it's gel. It's not really gel, it's fake gel. But it's what I got for matte. And let's do it. And here is the finished look. I like the matte look. In the same lighting that I've been in, of course. Inspection time. With bonus footage of the objects, sort of. Sage I think looked the best out of them, honestly. Lemon balm, not too shabby. The leaves at the bottom right are a little bit mushed together. Mallow. The flowers just non-existent. They exploded. Whorehound was okay. It's fine. It's fine. Elder, also just fine. I wish I could have defined the flowers somehow a little bit better, and the leaves, I guess, but inspection over. It's over. And now we're outside doing our shade to sun look. It took me a couple days, so there's some chippage on my nails going on. You know, that's fine. It happens. Yeah, it was not sunny for a few days, so I had to wait, and I'm kind of rough with my hands, so chipping for me is normal. And here's the packaging again. These cough drops are actually really good. I'm glad I tried them, and I still am using them now. Yeah, there's the nails. It's a good time. Thanks for being here. Bye.